What is going on, guys? It's your boy Typo Trades. Here's a full breakdown how I made $8,270 today trading FOMC. I did a free stream this morning, or this afternoon, I guess. Hopefully you were able to catch that, but we had a wild FOMC session. The range was 445 points, and this was also the first ever FOMC with the new Fed chair, who is still currently speaking. So we ended up getting honestly, almost like what looked to be a data candle at 2 p.m. The Fed stuff came out. The rates remained unchanged, but there were some technical things that happened that made the market a little bit bearish. You see that we came out here with a huge candle at 2 p.m., 172 points. So I marked out the data high because we immediately swept out the data low. Anyway, what ended up happening, we dumped a ton. We dumped a ton because of the Fed news. So I was looking for a trade with everybody. We had like 500 viewers in the stream, and this was a free stream as well, so you could have joined. Anyway, we ended up hitting 50% of the daily range, okay? So now, although we do have that drawn liquidity up there, I'm looking for shorts, okay? I'm looking for shorts. And if you're unfamiliar, what is the 50% level? The 50% level is a support and resistance level where price is going to trade into it every single day, and then we're expecting it to bounce off. It's just, you know, kind of how price reacts. If you put this level on your chart and just observe how it reacts every single day, it's the best level I've found in my 4 years of trading. It is absolutely money. So what happens, right? We have a downtrend. Price retraces, taps the 50% level. I am now expecting it to go back and continue that downtrend, okay? So what do? I set up this. We find a 1 minute fair value gap right here. So my plan is I'm going to enter short because I'm expecting price to react off that level. I'm bearish, so I'm going to go short when price inverses this fair value gap, and I'm just going to target the wicks and stuff below, okay? So here is what happened, and then we close right there. So that's when I get in the trade, and now I'm in the trade. Now I'm in short, and again, there's no hindsight, guys. I am on a 26-day win streak. You might say, oh man, this guy Tempo, he's lying, he's a fraud. Guys, every single stream is posted, every single one, for the past months, years. You can go back and watch me call out these trades and tell you that I'm in live time. There is nothing that I could be faking here. So I get in this trade right here. I get in short. I target that wick. Boom, TP hits within a couple candles, and it's just a beautiful trade. And you could see right here, these are my executions. So I entered at 262. I took some profits here at 225. So that's about 40 points. And I did hold runners, but those runners, unfortunately, did not hit. So it is what it is. And yeah, we ended up making $8,270 off of this trade. And it's just great. And a lot of people banked. A lot of people banked. Let me look at the stream here. Let's see. Let me see. A lot of people banked. You could see, I asked my chat, I said type 1 if you took this trade with me, and look how many people typed 1. So feel like every single person took that with me. The other thing I want to talk about, man, we've had an insane month. I mean, we have had an insane month trading, guys. Insane month. I'm on pace to have my best month ever profit-wise. We're on a 26-day win streak. We have 0 red days in June. I haven't had a red trading day since May 1st. May 1st. And again, every single stream on every single day has been posted and documented with proof. Like, the only days, so I didn't take a trade on June 1st, I didn't take a trade on June 8th, and I didn't take a trade on June 12th. Every other day, we've taken a trade, and you can see the results. This is absolutely magical. I don't know when this is going to end. I don't know how long this is going to be sustainable, but this model, this strategy it just fits with me, man. It just feels comfortable. I feel like I'm in control. Everything just feels like it seems clear. And that's the most important thing when it comes to trading. So yeah, that's how my day went. I didn't take any trades in the morning. Actually, I'm lying. I took an eval trade in the morning. The morning was kind of weird because the morning we had supposedly we had a Trump speech scheduled in the morning, as well as FOMC. Mornings are usually not good because the institutions are actually waiting for FOMC. So with those two things in mind, I was being very, very cautious in the morning. So I actually alerted this short, but I said I was going to take that on eval. Obviously, I wish I took that on funded because it worked instantly. But yeah, I took this 1 minute short on eval in the morning. I didn't take anything else. I waited for the PM stream, and then I caught this short with every single member who joined. There was like 500 people in there, so absolutely beautiful. We look onwards to tomorrow. Tomorrow is actually the last trading day. Tomorrow is actually the last trading day of the week because Friday is a bank holiday. So tomorrow's the last trading day of the week. Let's see if we can close strong. Holy shit, that P&L calendar looks insane. See you tomorrow.